Well, happy Halloween and good evening to you. This is CTV News for Tuesday, October 31st. I'm Denise Douglas.
And I'm Patricia Malone. Thank you for joining us tonight. Well, a performance audit of the Prince George's public school system is set to be released today. The D.C.-based firm Alvarez and Marshall has been looking into allegations of grade manipulation to increase graduation rates in the system. The allegations were raised by board members and the entire county House delegation in letters to Governor Hogan. County Executive Sharon Baker commented on the issue earlier today.
Certainly, if somebody had evidence of anything, they should turn that in. What I can say is I look forward to having the report come out. I feel very certain that Dr. Maxwell and his staff have done everything to make sure that people felt comfortable and that nothing was done wrong in terms of a coordinated effort to inflate grades. I really believe that the principals and teachers in the Central Administration Office care about the students as much as I do and want to make sure their graduation is there. So, we'll see what comes out in the report.
The board member David Murray tells CTV News that he thinks, quote, they'll find substantial findings with students having graduated without proper courses and grades having been changed. He adds that the report is important because by fraudulently graduating students, the school system is doing a disservice to our kids. Now, the state school board says it may release the report findings later this week.
Some business owners in Suitland are fighting to save their establishments. 7 minority-owned shops along a popular strip mall attempted to have a judge stop what they believe are illegal evictions. However, he denied their request. The businesses are being forced to leave as part of a redevelopment plan. They have 30 days to do so, but say they will fight to stay.
To move our businesses, pack up our stuff, find a new location for our businesses. We are successful Black and minority businesses. My mom started this company 5 years ago. I don't have my mom here anymore. She passed away 2 years ago. This is all we have left of her. And for them to give us 30 days to figure everything out, we need more time. That's our biggest concern. We need more time to find a successful place to build our new business in. And the way they did us is...
And we think if we can work together with the County Revenue Authority, we can resolve this in an amicable way. I know a lawsuit has been filed. The attorney is here, Ms. Edina Macier, and who represents the tenants. But at the end of the day, we should uplift small businesses. These businesses should be given more time. And we should do everything in our power to make sure that they're relocated and they can go on with their careers.
Now, the owners say it will cost them collectively in excess of $200,000 to relocate.
The state of Maryland is going after prescription drug companies that engage in price gouging. A new law went into effect on October 1st and covers off-patent generic drugs. Frosch was joined by Montgomery and Prince George's County officials at a press conference today. The organization Healthcare for All sponsored the event at a senior center in Silver Spring.
The fight is not over. The drug manufacturers are suing us, claiming the law is unconstitutional. We've won the first round on that. It's now in the Court of Appeals. And we're confident that it will survive and that we'll be able to enforce it.
Now, organizers are asking people to share their price gouging story by going to healthcareforall.com/hearmystory.
A beloved assistant fire chief was remembered today. A procession in John Burns' honor went from Beale Funeral Home in Bowie to Kentland Volunteer Fire Station. Burns had a medical emergency while at the firehouse on Sunday. He was rushed to the hospital where he died. Former Kentland Fire Chief Ricky Riley says Burns will be remembered for his dedication and love for the community.
It just means that more than just Kentland care for John. That just shows just how much John touched other people, which is, I think a measure of any good human being is how much they touched other people. We got to be with John pretty much every day, so, we knew him, we loved him, but just to watch how he affected other people outside these walls and then across this community, I think that's what this procession's about.
Burns was also a dispatcher with Prince George's County Public Safety Communications.